All right, we're expecting our celebrities. They're on their way. Sam and Song. On their way to Sam and Song. You're welcome to Glasgow. Welcome to Glasgow, guys. You guys are most welcome.
My vote was the vote that brought in Alex Oti into government.
We're trying to infiltrate and in conjugative everything that is that is trying to hinder you. Now we welcome you. Keep your chair. Don't move. Put a paradise. Don't move. Invite everybody. Come and receive your entertainment, infotainment, everything entertainment in this glass house. Today,
welcome to Glasscast Podcast.
You're welcome to Glasscast Podcast.
This is Glasscast.
This episode is what you will want to call the celebrity edition.
So there is that movie I watched when I was quite young, and it's called Osofia in London.
Oh, so the two of you actually started it together from day one?
In Aba, at the state. So at that time, because I was very handsome.
Yeah,
they will use me and do Angel. They will use him and do them. What I did behind him was more visible than him being the king.
Okay.
It was so memorable that after 20 years, he can still remember it. So instead of to say, I will not give my best because I'm a farmer. I did tactically well.
Whatever your hand finds, I think it was the Bible, somewhere in the Bible that he said, I will bless you.
Whatever your hand
finds to do,
you do it well.
If you want to be a madman, be the best madman on that street, so that everybody who passes you will never forget.
You've moved up to finding the monarch, and now I have Sam and Song in London, Buckingham Palace. Be aware that a fanner who fans fantastically
is in town.
I believe one day I will find Mama Elizabeth.
Mama Elizabeth is in heaven praying for us.
It's Charlie that you're going to fan now.
I would have raised her from the bed. Spirit is willing, but the flesh is weak.
You took me away. You took me to that Bible that says, I will lift up my eyes to the hill. Whence cometh my help? Why are you looking to the hill? When you know your help come from?
The letter that Nani Paul wrote to the Corinth. Why are you reading it in about that?
I read against it. What is a letter to the Thessalonians? I read Thessalonians. I write to you in chains. No, you are not the one that put in chains.
There is problem now. What belongs to Caesar? The Nigerian government are seizing it. That's why Glad Cat is here to catch them.
I'm going to ask, has it always been rosy since you guys started from childhood?
Some people were meant to marry wife, but they married knife. The wife will be more like a pillar and a backbone. If you want to know whether there's true love, as a woman, go and engage a man looking for sponsorship. The place that I can never look for food in the whole entire world is UK.